Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the bed and exposing the mattress so the net can sit evenly. This avoids bunching once hung. Lay the net flat and identify the top loop and all corner ties so you know which parts attach. If you have a ceiling hook or a tension pole, make sure it is secure and centered over the bed. This positioning matters because an off-center anchor will tilt the net and leave gaps. Once the top loop is anchored, let the net drape down and walk around the bed to distribute fabric evenly so the net falls symmetrically. Make sure the center point is directly over the pillow area. This gives full coverage. Next, bring each net corner down and either tie to the bed frame or firmly tuck under the mattress. This creates a sealed perimeter. Adjust the fabric so there are no gaps at the foot or sides. You finish by sealing all edges. Press the net into the mattress crevice and double-check each corner. Tie so the net sits snugly. Then test the installation by stepping in and moving gently. If the net shifts or gaps appear, you'll immediately see where adjustments are needed. If a gap remains, reposition the ceiling anchor slightly or add extra ties to the frame. This restores tension and prevents insects from entering. One quick troubleshooting tip: tighten the top anchor first, then retuck edges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.